Hi there, this is Puya from puyayoga.com. Today we are doing a very simple exercise to correct your posture, mainly focusing on the upper back. You need a chair. We will do it on our knees, so if this is uncomfortable for your knees, you need a pillow or something softer on your knees to make it a bit softer for your knees. Really simple. Join me for a few seconds. You want to step back from your chair. Gently place your elbows here. As you see, the goal is to drop the upper body slowly and slowly, bring it lower and lower. Here you have the full stretch in your arm pads. I will show it with the other hand. In the arm pads, in the lats, and gently when you push down in the upper back, opening in your shoulders also. We want to extend the movement, bring it further in the triceps, in the elbows, by bending our arms also down. So this is the full stretch mode. We want to relax it for a few seconds and again push it down. As you see in my channel, I like to focus more on dynamic movement, in which we want to introduce more breathing exercises while doing our motions, our movements, in order to bring more focus on the exercise. So anytime that your chest is opening, like here is inhale. When the chest closing, exhale. The idea of assisting your stretch. Here I have the full external stretch in my arm pads, shoulders, triceps, upper back, lats, and here the relaxation. So when I go to the full stretch, I inhale, you see it now. So actually I'm assisting with opening the lungs, creating that expansion, the volume in the lungs to assist the stretch that I'm doing. This way I call it internal stretch. So in, push down with your hands, exhale a bit of relaxation, and again. This way we are fully activating your upper back. You should feel it deeply in your shoulders, in your triceps, in your lats. Amazing position to correct your posture, to give your spine, mainly the upper body, some good stretch. You can just do it with the same frequency as me for a few rounds. We are repeating this exercise, opening the entire area. And the last one now, we want to hold it a bit longer, push it down, push your hands down. The face is just relaxed, breathing in, breathing out, and slowly, slowly coming out of the posture. Sit down for a few seconds after every exercise, or if you're standing, you can just stand up. But mainly focus on the effect, the traces of the last exercise. What just happened in your arms, in the shoulders, in the upper back, in your entire posture. The chest feels opener, the back feels straighter and relaxer. Amazing. This is just a short glimpse of the full Office Fit course. If you are interested in the full Office Fit course, you can check the description below. You'll find the link to there. And more importantly, if there is any questions, you can always reach me. All the best. See you very soon.